Hello there. I was just sitting here looking at this piece of cottonwood bark, and I thought I got a glimpse of a face or something in there, and I don't know. I saw it once, and I know it's in there. All we got to do is carve away everything that don't look like that face.
So let's get started. Here I'm just grinding away the surface cracks in my work area so I can see what I have to work with. Now I'm going to sketch out with a magic marker the basic outline of what I think I saw a while ago. That white table with the holes in it is my downdraft table. It takes most of the carving dust out to my dust collector. Please keep in mind that all I'm doing is carving away all the wood that don't look like what I saw in the piece I started with. Sometimes I get to thinking that there may be something different in there than I first thought. I'm beginning to wonder if this is what I see. Yep, there's that snaggletooth I saw. I truly believe I did see what was in there before I started. Okay, now remember I told you something was in that piece of wood. See, there's something in every piece of cottonwood bark. All you have to do is just carve away everything that don't look like the face that's in there. Very simple. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I like that too.